In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete projects in Google Cloud Console, step by step, using the official and safest method. If you're cleaning up unused projects, avoiding unexpected billing charges, or organizing your Google Cloud environment, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. This is beginner-friendly and works in 2026 with the current Google Cloud Console interface. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future cloud and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that owns or manages the project you want to delete. Only project owners can delete projects, so if you don't see the delete option later, permissions are usually the reason. Once you're inside the Google Cloud Console dashboard, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the navigation menu, also called the hamburger menu. This will open up a full list of Google Cloud services and settings. From this menu, scroll down and find IAM and Admin, then click on it. IAM and Admin is where you manage users, permissions, and resources across your Google Cloud account. Inside IAM and Admin, click on Manage Resources. This page shows all the projects associated with your account or organization. You'll now see a list of Google Cloud projects displayed in a table. Take your time here and carefully identify the project you want to delete. Double-check the project name and project ID to make sure you're selecting the correct one, because deleting a project is a serious action. Once you've found the correct project, move to the right side of that project's row and look for the Actions section. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the Project Options menu. In this menu, click on Delete. Google Cloud will now prompt you with a confirmation screen. To prevent accidental deletion, Google requires you to type the project ID exactly as shown on the screen. Carefully enter the project ID into the confirmation field. After typing the project ID, click on the Shut Down or Delete button to confirm. Once confirmed, the project will be scheduled for deletion. It's important to know that Google Cloud doesn't delete the project instantly. The project is typically placed in a pending deletion state for around 30 days. During this time, the project is disabled and no resources will run, but you may still be able to recover it if needed. After the grace period ends, the project and all associated resources are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. This includes virtual machines, databases, storage buckets, and configurations. So always make sure you've backed up anything important before deleting a project. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project in Google Cloud Console. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might be managing Google Cloud projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.